Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check New York registered nurse license. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this and the quickest way is to open up a web browser and go to Google. Now in the Google search, type in NYRN license, hit enter. Now we want to go to the second website here, which is registered professional nurse from op.nysed.gov. Now, once you're on this page, we want to scroll down again, and now we've got some options here. The first option is verify a license, so we can do an online search for professional verification and enforcement action. So click onto search, scroll down again. Now we're going to have a box here that says verification search. So search by, click on the drop down, license name, number, permitting name, business entity, pharmacy establishment, by registration number. So depending if you got the license name, choose the name or the number or the permittee name, but for this we can do license name and then profession. Click onto that and then look for registered nurse. So here it is here, registered professional nurse. And then under that we can go ahead and put in a name if you've got that name as well, and then click on to go. And that's how to check a New York registered nurse license.